Hi everyone, are you going to study at Unisa and you need to register? I'm Shakeerah and welcome to Careers Portal. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. Unisa allows students to pursue their degrees, diplomas and certificates by using online resources and study materials provided by Unisa themselves. Here's how to register at Unisa. Go to the Unisa registration website, choose the qualification level and then click Go. Enter your student number in the block provided and the other details as required. Click on the modules you want to register for from the drop-down list, but make sure that you meet all the qualification requirements for your selected modules. You must then meet all the prerequisites and co-requisites for the selected module, enter the correct module code and select the correct semester. Follow the prompts and you're done. Now, to track your Unisa registration status, you will need to go to the same website and enter your personal information for verification purposes. Enter your student number in the space provided, as well as your surname and full first names. You'll also need to select your date of birth. When you're done, click on Continue. You should then be able to check the status of your Unisa registration. If you see an error message, go back and make sure that you typed in the correct details they asked for. Comment down below what you'll be studying and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.